Oh, I saw your question. One question from survey is how many credit cards do you currently have? Okay, and so you click on this. I think this box pops up. I guess somebody had 3 credit cards. 2 said we're determine the mean of the credit cards based on the raw data. And so you bring this up. One person had 10 credit cards. That looks like the most, and looks like everybody had at least one. If you click on this little icon and tell it to open in StatCrunch, you get this, box here. And the first 2 questions are what's the mean and standard deviation, and that's back to chapter 3. That's really old stuff from chapter 3. I know this is chapter 6, so you gotta go back and review that. You click on stats and then summary stats. You select your variable, and then your mean, and they want to sample standard deviation. Then you click compute, and it'll give those to you. You could do it by hand, but that'd be this much data. I would not do that. I'd use technology. So again, the first 2 parts are just back to chapter 3. Now the new parts of this, you could watch the videos over this for the section. They do cover the new parts of it. I thought maybe just got confused and forgot how to do the old stuff. Wasn't sure which parts you had questions about. Hope this helps.